Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Friday, February 8th, 2019. And I just posted a signal here for US dollar, Singapore dollar. It is a buy, but it's a kind of an exotic pair, but it's not normally traded, but it is a very good signal right now. And if we look over here on the chart, okay, we see that we have this area of support that is hit right now, okay, and it's pretty much hit this level of support before several times and bounced off of it. Now, the thing is, we're going into a downtrend according to this histogram on the bottom. All right. So, normally what happens when you have an uptrend and you have areas of support like this, those areas of support will become areas of resistance in the opposite downtrend. All right. So, what we are looking at now is a downtrend emerging. So I would not really place a buy trade per se here. I would place a sell limit. All right. And I know I said this plenty of times in the past, but what we have to look at now is find an area of resistance, because this is going to shoot back up for sure. Okay. And then it's going to hit that support level up here somewhere and then come back down further. So where is our area of resistance? Okay. Well, it could also be a former area of resistance. Right now, we don't have. Typically, you want to look at a former level of support to see what is the new level of resistance. But at this point in time, the only thing we have to go off of is another level of resistance that was hit before. Okay, so if we look right here, we have this level of resistance here, and here also. These are two notable levels of resistance. I'm going to mark them with a horizontal line right here. Okay, we see that it touched here, pretty much touched here, touched here. You know, it touched several times on this line and came down. So this is a pretty solid area of resistance. We have an area of resistance up here where this arrow is. And we'll also have another area of resistance that's slightly above where this candle hit. But that's not a very solid area of resistance, okay? That's like a spike up. So I'm going to go ahead and just go off of this right here. All right, that looks like it hit several times at that same point. So I'm assuming that's a pretty solid level of resistance. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to new order right here. And then come down here where it says market execution and choose pending order. Okay. And then make sure you have buy limit selected right here. And then when the at price, okay, type in the number over here in the red on the red horizontal line right here, which happens to be 1.35638. Okay. And then for take profit, we can put somewhere down here where the price is now or a little bit below. I don't know. We say, let's say 1.35450. Okay, 1.35450, and that's just a rounded down a little bit. That's a pretty square number, and I'm going to place that. Okay, and what did it say here? Oh. Excuse me, sell limit. I apologize. We'll do a sell limit pending order. I got ahead of myself. That's okay. And then go to object list and remove the horizontal line. Delete that. This way you can see your sell limit right here and then your take profit down here. So this right here in this particular case, this is going to give me 188 pips, which is not too bad. Get in, get out. Now, the thing to note is that today is Friday. So the market is going to be slow. And this is going to take probably about another 4 or 5 hours for it to retrace and go up and hit this. Okay. And then activate the trade. And probably another 4 or 5 hours to come down. So you're looking about, anywhere from 8 to 12 hours total for this to hit to take profit. All right. Depending on market movement. And it might just hover in range here for a while. And also, there's really not that many hours left in the day, in the trading week. Okay, so what will happen is if you place this trade, it will come up, trip this, and then it'll hang open. It'll stay open over the weekend, and then come Monday, it'll continue its journey south. Okay, so don't be afraid to let the trade hang open over the weekend. It's not a big deal, but just be aware of that. Okay, have that in your mind that this trade will not close, this Friday if it opens. It may not even open. It may not activate the trade if you use a pin order. Now you can place a buy trade, like the signal says, but to play it safe, I would go with the trend. All right, which is bearish according to the red histogram right here. All right, so that's how I would trade this particular trade. Just let me know if you have any questions about this or any other my other Telegram signals that I posted today, and I'd be happy to help you. Okay, there's a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook account. Please message me there first. If not, also a link for my private Facebook group, and you can join my Facebook group if you have not, and post any questions or comments there. Okay, so with that said, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and just keep in touch. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, thank you so much.